Who built the Arctic radar stations? Have you ever wondered who was behind the construction of the Arctic radar stations? These stations, part of the distant early warning line, were built during a critical time in history. The project was a joint effort between the United States and Canada, initiated to provide early warnings of potential Soviet air attacks during the Cold War. It was a massive undertaking that required careful planning and execution. Construction began in December 1954 and wrapped up by July 1957. The radar stations were strategically placed across the high Arctic, roughly along the 69th parallel north. This location was chosen to maximize their effectiveness in detecting incoming threats. A significant workforce was involved in this project, drawing workers from various sectors. Notably, Bell Telephone companies across the United States and several Canadian provinces contributed to the effort. The primary contractor for the radar stations was Western Electric Company, which played a central role in their design and construction. The United States Air Force and the Royal Canadian Air Force were also heavily involved, overseeing the project to ensure it met military standards. The construction faced numerous challenges, especially due to the harsh Arctic environment. Over 460,000 tons of materials were transported via air, sea, and land to complete the project. The radar systems installed at these stations included models such as the AN feet per second 19 and AN feet per second 23. These systems were specifically adapted for Arctic conditions, allowing them to detect targets at various altitudes. The infrastructure built during this time not only served a military purpose but also showcased the technological advancements of the era. The success of the Distant Early Warning Line project was vital for the security of North America during the Cold War. It also contributed to the development of infrastructure in the polar regions, demonstrating what could be achieved in such remote and challenging environments. The radar stations remains a significant part of the history of Arctic infrastructure and the communities that support it.